small bites, Michael. He's so sleepy. You had a long, busy day with Grammy, huh?
That's how Daddy's been feeling.
He's just gnawing on the bread. He's not even eating it. Aww.
I don't want to choke.
Be careful, bud.
You gotta wake up if you're gonna eat that. I'm sorry to wake you up with my voice, but you need to chew that.
No, he does have to get up. It's just cute.